Hey guys, welcome to Beginner's Barbecue. I'm Ben Harding and I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, most of the time. But today, I wanted to do possibly the world's last review of the Termapen Mark IV. And if you've been looking at barbecue videos online for any time at all, you're already familiar with this. You know the features, you know the accuracy, you know it's fast, you know it's kind of the gold standard. But the reason I wanted to bring this up today is because these are actually going away. Termapen, as you may have heard, has now released the Termapen 1, or rather ThermoWorks has released the Termapen 1, which is a little bit faster, a little bit more accurate, and a little bit more expensive. And really, if I had to look at the two at full price, I'd probably buy the Termapen 1. It's a really nice looking thermometer and very similar to this. Accurate to within a half a degree in 1 second instead of the 2 to 3 seconds claimed for the Termapen Mark IV. But the reason I wanted to bring this up today is that this is a great thermometer. This has been incredibly reliable. It looks like the day I bought it. It's waterproof. It says it reads in 2 to 3 seconds. It always seems faster than that to me. It's been super reliable. So the reason I want to bring it up though is ThermoWorks is currently closing out these thermometers. And to do that, they've dropped the price by 30%. Now, before you click away and think I'm trying to make money off of this, yeah, there's a link in the description. No, it's not an affiliate link. I don't even know how to do that with ThermoWorks right now. So I do encourage you though to go ahead and grab one of these for 70 bucks instead of paying 105 for a nicer thermometer that is massively overkill for barbecue. I think you'll find the Mark IV to meet all of your barbecue thermometer needs for way less money. So head over to ThermoWorks and pick one of these up. I think you'll find that it is a great fit for your barbecue journey.